guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Didi or Nella. If you are new here, then you are welcome. So today we have this beautiful unit that I would like to share with you guys. Okay, this unit is from Nadula hair. I didn't speak when I was installing the hair, but I did speak after. So if you are interested in seeing it, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so here's the hair. This is Nadula UPART wig. I like it, but disclaimer, if you have natural hair, you are about to struggle with this one, okay? This hair is for my girls with the relaxed hair, the perm hair, you know. If you got natural hair, baby, this ain't for you. But I love the hair, I love the texture, I love everything about this hair. It's basically, if you get closures, like if you get sew-in wigs, this is, if you get sew-ins, this is the one for you. Okay, so my hair is natural, so I may do it like this, but like probably like put like a headband on top of it or something. But let me do my makeup and then we're gonna come back and see how it's looking, because right now I like it. You know, it's giving me like my natural hair, obviously, because you know I kind of did my edges too. I had to like really press my natural hair for it to like, you know, kind of blend. Okay, blend. But yeah, let me do my makeup and I'm gonna come back and close out the video. Alright guys, so I did my makeup and I added this headband. I got this headband from Shein, but we're here for the hair. Okay, I like it. Okay, let me set up the headband so you guys could actually see what. Ooh, wow, watch. But here's the hair. Okay, this is the hair without the headband, and I'm gonna put the headband back on. I kind of like it with the headband better, since like my hair is kind of natural or whatever, but I don't know, I prefer it with the headband on. But here's the hair. You guys saw I did my little edges, but here it is. Make sure you guys check out Nadula hair. All the information you need regarding this hair will be in the description box. Again, thank you to Nadula hair for letting me try out this beautiful hair. Like, the hair is so soft. This hair is amazing. I truly recommend it if you get sew-ins. This will be like your perfect hair, to be honest. So I recommend it to the fullest. But if you're a natural girl like me, you will have to relax your hair, and I don't know if you don't want to do that, or like you're gonna have to put like a lot of heat, because I had to do like a lot of heat to it. So yeah, make sure you guys check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.